What a nice sunny day. Today we are going to do a smoothie with different oranges. These are Navel Oranges. We got extra pulp because of the fiber, and then we're going to be having some pineapple and some honey, and then a couple of tablespoons of vanilla yogurt. For the honey, it's going to be a few teaspoons. Hey, so my name is Alan from Coach Alan Gaming, Football Coach Alan, Basketball Coach Alan, and also Coach Alan Recipes, which is this channel right here. So what we've got today is 2 Navel Oranges. We've got a couple of slices of pineapple, and we're going to add that in right now. Just make sure to take out, if you have an orange, if you're not using Navel Oranges, if you're using regular oranges, make sure to take out the seeds. Those kind of suck in a smoothie, let's face it. You don't want big chunks of stuff in your smoothie. And then we're going to be adding in the pineapple. And then we're going to be adding in the yogurt as well as the honey. So for the yogurt, we're going to be adding in 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of yogurt. And I hope that everyone's doing really well right now with this coronavirus stuff that is happening. So leave a comment below. Let us know how you're doing. Now, we're going to be adding in some of the honey. Again, 2 teaspoons or 1.5 teaspoons of honey. Depends on how strong your honey really is. This stuff is really strong that I'm using. So for that, in case, you just want to use maybe 1 and a little. Now, what we're going to be doing is mixing this all up. And again, I hope that you're doing really well. This time we actually have the lid, unlike a video ago. And yeah, let's get it mixed up. And now that we've got it mixed up just a bit, we can add in the ice, because I forgot it again. It's always great when you have an assistant with you saying, "Hey, you dummy, you're an idiot. You forgot something." He didn't have to say anything. I just have to look at his face saying, "You're an idiot." Now, because you are using oranges, you do want to make sure that this is really mixed up good. Oh, doesn't that look great? That looks amazing. And you can really smell the orange as well, which is great. Whether you're a gamer, a football player, basketball player, or whatever sport that you play, this is a great smoothie. And you don't even have to really play a sport. You can still enjoy this smoothie yourself at any time throughout the day. And it's even better when it's a sunny day. So let's see how good this smoothie actually tastes. It's really good. I hope that you enjoy. If you have, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.